Hello everybody and welcome to this week's episode where I play Cuphead. Today I'm playing Railroad Raft. Let's go. Alright, here we go. I apologize for my voice. It's obviously a little raw. A little raspy. I don't know what's happening here. Oh god. Okay. Okay. I want to stay over here. Okay. Okay, this isn't too bad. This is not bad at all, actually. Can I hit this before? Maybe. Let's try it again. I can. Okay. Ooh. Hello. Well. Oh. They also hit me. Oh, yes. You know what's crazy? How do I... Well, that sucks. These bricks are actually helping me. Let's go. Yo, imagine I won. No. Not bad. I spoke way too soon. Alright, okay, hold on. This can't be too bad. What does this do? Oh, okay, nice. That's a single shotter. Oh, this is easy peasy. I don't know if I'm going any quicker, but... Uh-oh. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh. Oh, get me back in the middle. Get me back to the middle. Yeah. Get me out of this. Nice. That thing actually helps. Thank you. Thank you for your service. Oh, you are gonna help this time too. Yo, I don't... Alright, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Let's not get... this is terrifying. Oh. What the frick? What do I do? Oh, wait. So, hold on. Are you gonna go now? Oh, shoot. Oh, my God. Ooh. Melted your face off, son. Oh, shoot. Go back away. Don't touch me. Oh, no. What the frick? Oh, shoot. Oh, my God. I'm gonna die by this train. Okay. Okay. We're good here. Take that. This is easy right here. I got this. I don't know why I talk. Why do I bother? Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Don't touch it. Oh, shoot. Oh, I can hit his head. Okay, well. Okay, that's not too bad. But I gotta go back. You go to the middle? You do, okay. Oh my God. Uh-oh. Okay. Okay. I had 5 last time. I don't know how I'm gonna get out of here with 2 now. Okay, but hold on. I can do this. Who's going first? You? Alright, let's melt your face. Oh my God. I didn't realize I had melted your face off. Alright, I got this one. I got this. All right, well, let's start with shooting the right direction. All right, Cuphead, idiot. Oh no. Yes. Yes. Let's go. Die, buddy. Yeah, get me back to the middle. Okay, this is nice. This is nice. Uh-oh. Nice. Nice. Not nice. Get me out of here. Okay. This works. This works. All right. Killing him. Killing it. I've been feeling pretty confident in this game the last few rounds. That's my bad. That's my bad. Ah, you idiot. Frickin'. Oh, that did hit. Please, God. Ugh. Okay, this is stupid. I'm too nervous. I'm nervous. Got him. Take a hike, buddy. Get me back to the middle. Thank you. Uh-oh. Oof, that was close. Okay, well. There we go. Saw that one coming. Oh, I can shoot the pumpkins? Well, that works. Okay, maybe not. Oh. Ah, frick. Idiot. No, 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 go back. Come on, die already. Nice, nice, nice. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. I don't know what the frick. I don't know if I should stay in the middle. Oh, hello. Oh. Oh my God. It's okay. We're fine. I got this. This is the run. This is the one. Right here, baby. So, I went to bed, and my throat was like a little raspy, and I woke up, and it sounded like this. I don't feel sick. I think I just have, like, head congestion. I could breathe through my nose. Perfectly fine. Hmm. Oh, no. I was not paying attention. Thank you. Thank you, pumpkin guy. Take that. I should be parrying, but I'm not. Nice. Let's go. Let's go. To get back here consistently 2 in a row, I'm feeling good, feeling confident. Oh. Oh my god. That was... Oh, I got an extra heart? Or something? Please, God. Pandemonium. Oh my god. Let's go. I didn't know which gun to use there. I feel like... I don't know. That gun is not my... That was a hit, you idiot. Oh, frickin'. Oh my god. Please die. Thank you. Not feeling good right now. That's nice. That's not... Oh, shoot. That's not nice. Oh my god. That sucks. Okay, let's not... Let's calm down. We got this. We got this. If I get too angry, I'm not going to be able to control myself and just keep making same mistakes. And that's not what I want. Don't want the same mistakes. Thank you, sir. Thank you, pumpkin sir. Die, you idiot. Nice, nice, nice. Don't touch. Don't touch. Okay, you touched. Oh, God. Oh my god. Money, money, we're money. We're so money right now. Let's go. Shoot. I'm back. Oh my god. That's not what I wanted to happen, but it happened. And here we are. Please, God. Please, God. Yeah. Yeah. To my understanding, this is the last level before I get to the last level. The next levels? Before I get to hell, I believe. I'm pretty certain I need to face the devil, so let's go. There it is. I got the Phantom Express Souls. Soul. I got the soul of the Phantom Express. Let's say it that way. Maybe I'll edit the other one out. Maybe I won't. I don't know. Let's see. Hold on. I want to see something. This is where you go, right? Yeah. Eerie. Well, thank you so much for watching. We'll be back next week with the continuation of this. I don't know if I will continue to do well. I feel like I just started getting into a stride. Probably because I'm playing it more consistently. I don't know. But let's see what happens. Thanks so much for